welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make oregano lemon turmeric tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy oregano lemon turmeric tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To begin with, let's go and pick some fresh oregano leaves. Just a bunch of 4 to 5 leaves should be good. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add the oregano leaves. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. It's been 2 minutes now and our oregano is nicely boiling. The essence of the oregano is nicely getting extracted. Now to this add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns. Let this boil for 2 more minutes. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this oregano lemon turmeric tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the pepper and the oregano has come together very well. Now off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for a few seconds. Then strain the oregano lemon turmeric tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this oregano lemon turmeric tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.